Hello everyone. In this class I am going to show you about beads. Okay, beads coloring. So let's get started. This is my stocking wire which I am going to use it. Now these beads I'll insert in my wire, okay, for our coloring. Okay, and these are my few extra beads which I want to recolor, so I'm going to insert these beads as well. So this is also I have inserted, okay, and this one also. Okay, now you have to take your blue color, okay, and you can color it like this. Okay, this is the best technique which I find out to color your beads. Okay, any kind of beads. If you have the circle one, so you can make the circle ones from the same technique. From the same technique you can color the circle one also. Okay, so this is, see how I am going to color it. Very easy. Even the best part of these colors, fabrical colors, they can overlap easily, and so this is here. Okay, and you can see I'm going to recolor it because it is in my stock and I want to use in my, I'm having lots of blue beads and I'll use in my course. So, and how to use the cookie cutters, I already have a class for that, so you can watch it and you can learn it. Okay, so, and this is how you can recolor your beads. Okay, like if you have colored wrong, then after drying 24 hours you can recolor it. Okay, or more than 12 hours, just your color should be dry properly, otherwise it will overlap and your your beads will be, the bead will be destroyed. Okay, and the color will be destroyed. So this is how we have to color our beads. Okay, see how I have done it. Okay, and now my loop bead, and I'm going to insert it. Okay, and so this is how, and I have told in my lessons also in my class that how, so sometime it came out, but it's okay, and you can just tight it from your hand and you can color it. If you want, you can wear gloves, but I don't like to wear the gloves because I can wash my hands. But if you people want to wear the gloves, cotton gloves or any kind of gloves, you can wear it, but I don't like to wear, so it's okay, I'll wash my hands, nothing. So this is how you can color your beads. Okay, so now it will dry up, and after that you can start working with this. Okay, so this is all about the coloring beads. Thanks for watching this lesson.